we have this question here, this linear equation question where we should solve for x. Now, I got this question from the January 1994 receipt paper. Alright? Now, that's an old past paper, but I have some old past paper questions. The earliest one, I remember, I have dates back to 1979. Very old paper there. But anyway, what I want you to do is to solve for x, and we're going to go through it together after. So go ahead. Alright, you pause the video and you solve for x. What did you get? Let's go through it together. Here now, remember, the main aim is to get x alone equals and everything else over the other side. And here, notice, you have two x's. So at some point, you're going to have to add or subtract to get one x. And then you do your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in order to move, in order to get the numbers on one side and the x alone on the other side. So here, what we can do is to expand the bracket, multiply 3 by what is in the bracket. Now, in order to avoid any confusion, what you could do here is to consider this as 5x plus negative 3 times x minus 1 equals 39. Alright? Now, if you multiply negative 3 by what is in the bracket, you're going to have 5x plus negative 3 times x will give you negative 3x minus negative 3 times negative 1. Negative 3 times 1, you already put the minus. This minus is this one. Alright? So it's there already. Negative 3 times 1 gives you negative 3 equals 39. Alright? Now, here, what you have is 5x plus negative 3x means minus 3x. Minus negative 3 means plus 3 equals 39. Alright. Now, we have 5x minus 3x. 5 of anything minus 3 of that gives you 2. So it's 2x. Alright. So we have 2x plus 3 equals 39. What we can do here, to get rid of the 3 and the 2, we don't want to try to get rid of the 2 first, because that will cause complications. We would have to divide by 2 and you're going to have some fractions. Let's not mix up ourselves and get ourselves in difficulties with the fractions. So we get rid of the 3 first. We're going to subtract 3. So that being the case, we have 2x plus 3 equals 39. We subtract 3 from the left hand side. When we subtract 3, what we would have is 2x, because 3 minus 3 is 0, so that's gone, right? So it's 2x. We're not touching the right hand side as yet. Is equal to something. Then here we have 2 times x. We're going to divide by 2. So we have 2x and we divide by 2. 2 will cancel 2 and you have x alone equals. Right? Nice. But then we didn't do anything to the right hand side up here. So let's see. If we subtract 3 from the left, we must also subtract 3 from the right. So 39 minus 3 is what? 36. So we have 36 here. And then here now, if you divide by 2, what you're going to have is 36 divided by 2. So what you have here, 36 over 2 is 18. So x is 18. So you see that? Let's just test whether we're right. Whether we're right or wrong. We have 5x minus 3 times x minus 1 equals 39. X is 18 according to what we got. So this is 5 times 18. And this is supposed to be 18 minus 1 because x is 18. Now let's just move quick by using our calculator. What is 5 times 18? 5 times 18 equals 90. So we have 90 minus 3 times 18 minus 1 is 17. Is that equal to 39? Let's see. So 3 times 17 gives us 51. So it's 90 minus 51. So what is 90 minus 51? 90 minus 51. 39. Yeah, it's correct. Right? So if you didn't get 18, I want you to try again, but don't look at the working. Don't look back at the video. Just try again. Alright? So remember, we went through step by step. This video is not about trying to see how quickly we can solve a problem as if we were in an exam. It's really aimed to get you to see the reason why you do what you do, right, and to understand the reasoning behind the solutions. Alright, so that's it for now.